Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Rakib Syambanda, number ID 192517666, class 192B Empathy 78 Bina Sarana Informatika University, and beside me is
Asu Apipah.
today I would like to present your English examen on the topic of talking about daily activities. Hi Naswa, good morning. How are you today?
Good morning, Rakib. I'm very good. Thank you. How about you?
I am good too. What time do you usually wake up in the morning?
I usually wake up at 5:30 in the morning. How about you?
I usually wake up at 6 o'clock. What do you do after you wake up?
First, I make my bed and clean my room. Then I take a shower and brush my teeth.
Do you have breakfast every morning?
Yes, I do. I usually have rice, eggs, and vegetables for breakfast. What about you?
I usually have bread and eggs. Sometimes I only drink milk because I don't have much time.
What time do you usually leave your house?
I usually leave my house at 7 o'clock. I go to college by motorcycle. How about you?
I also go to college by motor cars. I usually leave at 7:30.
What time does your class start?
My class usually start at 8 o'clock. Sometimes the class start earlier.
What do you usually do during the class?
I listen to lecture, take notes, and ask questions when I don't understand. Sometimes, what about you?
I usually listen to the lecturer and discuss the lesson with my friends. Sometimes we work on exam together.
Do you usually have lunch at college?
Yes, I usually have lunch at the campus cafeteria with my friends. What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat rice, chicken, and vegetables. I also drink water or iced tea.
What time do you usually finish your class?
It depends on the schedule. Usually, I finish it 2 or 3 in the afternoon.
What do you do after class?
I usually go home. Sometimes I hang out with my friends for a while. What about you?
I usually go home directly after arriving home. I change my clothes and take a rest.
Do you sleep in the afternoon?
Sometimes I usually take a short nap for about 30 minutes. Do you take a nap too?
Yes, sometimes I do, especially when I feel tired after college.
What do you usually do in the afternoon?
I usually exercise. Sometimes I play football with my friends. What about you?
I usually ride my motorcycle express or just relax at home.
What do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I usually take a shower, have dinner, and take with my family.
Do you help your parents at home?
Yes, I do. Sometimes I clean my room, wash the dish, and help with other housework. How about you?
I also help my parents. I usually clean the house and take out the trash.
What do you usually do after dinner?
I usually do my homework and study for the next day. Sometimes I watch YouTube after finishing my homework. What about you?
I usually do my assignment, so after that I use my phone and check social media.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10:30 at night. I try not to sleep too late. How about you?
I usually go to bed at 11 o'clock. Before sleeping, I usually set an alarm for the next morning.
It seems that we have similar daily activities.
Yes, we do. We both go to college, study, do assignments, and help our families.
What is your favorite activity in your daily routine?
My favorite activity is exercising because it makes me feel healthy and relaxed. What about you?
My favorite activity is spending time with my friend and family. It makes me happy.
That's nice. We should manage our time well so we can study and still have time to relax.
I agree with you. A good daily routine can help you become more productive.
You're right. Will I have to go now? See you tomorrow, Rakib.
See you tomorrow, Naswa. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
That's all from me. Thank you. Please accept my apologies for any shortcoming in the video. Best regards. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.